Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me again this week. My name is Dee Thompson. Thank you guys so much for all the love, support, subscribing, following, all of that. Thank you guys so much. So today's video, I'm going to be doing an update video. I haven't done one of these in a while. I think last time I did one, I combined it with a get ready with me, but you guys seem to like my get ready with me's on my Insta story, more so on YouTube. So I'm not going to record for YouTube anymore. Unless you guys just want me to. I'm just not gonna like bombard y'all with makeup because I'm not a makeup professional, but sometimes you guys want to see what looks I'm rocking and I will put that on my Insta story. So if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me at just_DJ so you can also get hair tips, makeup tips, all of that other stuff that I don't post on my YouTube channel. You can check it out on my Instagram. So without further ado, let's get into this. So I am updating you guys on the main concept boho twist. Now I've already installed this. I've had this in for 4 weeks now. 4 weeks. That is a stretch for me, just because I like to wash my hair. I like to take my hair back down and deep condition and do all that other stuff. I'm not one of those people that keep my protective styles in for like 3 or 6 months. That's just not me. If you are, I'm not judging. Nobody's judging. That ain't a problem. If you aren't, then you're like me. After about a month or so, I'm ready to take it out. Even sometimes it's been a couple weeks and I'm ready to take it out. So I am actually ready to take it out right now because I'm at the 4-week mark. So after I film this video, I'm probably going to be taking this hair out. But I wanted to film an update for you guys before I did that because I promised that I will let you guys know how this hair held up. So here are my thoughts. All right, so first things first, the first thing that I thought was going to happen was some matting and some tangling. The reason I said that was because there was some pieces of the hair that are left out, and I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is starting to frizz. Like these are the pieces that were left out because it's boho. So you have your passion twist and then you have the pieces out. So I'm starting to get a lot of frizzing on the outside and some tangling. All right, so I wanted to show you guys that this wasn't all cookies and rainbow. Now I do, even though I think that the frizz makes it a little bit more realistic, so I'm not super perfectionist here, but I do want you guys to be aware of what you would be getting into if you purchase this hair and you wanted to rock it for 4 weeks like I did. So this is the 4-week mark. Now keep in mind, I have cut some of my tangles out. I did have some knots and I cut them out, okay, because I can't do it. I can't do it. But I'm gonna show you guys something that I use on my tangles and on my knots that you can also use on any other crochet hair, not just this hair. But I am out, but I wanted to show you. It is the Cantu conditioning detangler. Now I love this stuff because it's only $4.49 at the beauty supply store. All you gotta do is, like, when you're trying to refresh your crochet, just spray it on. And then I just kind of ran my fingers through it until I can kind of get that tangle up out of there. But this is a must-have for your crochet hair because your crochet hair is already inexpensive and you don't want to use expensive products. There are other detanglers like, I think it's the Main Choice, the blue one from the Tropical Moringa line. Obsessed with that one. However, I'm not going to use any one of those on my weave, okay? Because those are all over like $15. And y'all know, you know, we're not gonna spray it down, but I'll spray this whole bottle down and go buy like stacks and stacks of backup. So if you are having a problem with your crochet hair, you want to revive it, this will also work on curly synthetic wigs, just to kind of pull your tangles out. I used this in another video. I believe it was the Monty video. For that wig, I use this as well. So this is my secret to detangling your crochet hair. All right, don't say I didn't tell you. Now keep in mind, I work out a lot, so this stayed in a bun a lot. So I had to refresh it, especially when I was getting ready to go somewhere and I really wanted to look nice and, you know, not matted up and tangled. I really reached for this. Also, to take care of my scalp, I mentioned this in another video, but the Main Choice Minty Scalp Purifying Spray, baby, I'm telling you, if you're rocking protective styles and you ain't got this, I don't know what you're doing with your life. This smells amazing. It neutralizes your scalp. It neutralizes odor in your scalp. And if you work out a lot like I do, this is a godsend. I need this. When they just had a sale, I re-upped on this. And if you missed the main choice sale, they had 40% off. I'm so sorry. I posted on my Instagram, so that's why you need to go follow me, because I will be posting sales, because you know I like to help you guys save your coins. All right, so you know I'm gonna keep it real. With any crochet hair, you're gonna get some tangles. With any crochet hair, you're gonna get some matting. You can cut out the mats, you can cut out the knots, all of that other stuff, and I think it still look good. Like, for this to be 4 weeks, I ain't mad at it. I mean, the older this hair gets, like all crochet hair, the older it gets, the better it looks, the more natural it looks. And even though my edges are growing out, yes, I use edge control to slick my edges back down, because they sometimes after these workouts, they'd be in shock, all right? So that's the way you can continue to blend it, continue to blend your edges in and kind of get that longevity out of this style. So I made it to a month. I'm excited. The hair did get a little rough. Okay, so I think the original texture was very, very soft, and I really, really liked the original texture, but it did get a little rough, you know, the older it got, which is to be expected. And I did sweat, so sweat also kind of makes your hair, and any synthetic hair, a little bit rougher, i.e. synthetic wigs, crochet hair, blah, blah, blah. Y'all get the point. So with that, the detangling spray really helps. So if you're like me and you're using this for like working out and trying to keep your hair protected while you're working out, but you still want a cute style, then I think this is a great protective style. However, I don't think I like it more than the original Passion Twist or my Kinky Twist. And the reason I say that is because of the hair that is left out, because of the matting and tangling. I probably won't reuse this hair. Like, I will probably take it out and throw it away. Whereas with my Passion Twist and my Kinky Twist, I can use that hair about 2 to 3 times, just because it stayed in the twist so beautifully. So I think next time I might not opt for the boho if I want to reuse the hair. But since this hair kind of matted and did all those other things, once I take that out, I'm probably not going to reuse it again. But all in all, I really, really liked it. I think it really is a really cute style, especially when you protective styles, and it gives you a different look. So I hope you guys loved some of the products that I mentioned. I hope you guys go check those out for yourselves. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload upcoming videos for you guys. I got another wig review, and disclaimer, the wig is named after your girl. So I just thought, I saw that and I was like, is this named after me? So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. And also, I'll be reviewing some more Black owned hair care lines. I know some of them you may know, some of them you might not know, but I did want to, you know, start doing more hair product reviews on here, as well as wig reviews. So we got a lot going on, because this is a full beauty channel. All right, we're doing it all. We're doing it all to make you feel cute. So if you are not subscribed, make sure you guys come on and join my family, and look out for those upcoming videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys go check out some of the other videos that I have. If you're curious on how to preserve your Passion Twist, I did do a video. I uploaded a video on that as well on my previous Passion Twist video, so make sure you guys go check that out as well. And I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye.